Olive, what did you draw? Show Mama. Show Mama what you drew. Did Mama and Olive draw Dada? Oh, you want to sit? Where did we draw Dada?
No.
Where? Careful, please. Careful, please.
Hi, Mama.
Be careful. All right. Well, you're in the sun, so you gotta move. Careful, please. You're gonna fall. Careful. Mama, help. Good Lord, child. Jeez. Okay. Where's Dada's picture? Where's Dada's picture?
Eyes.
Is it right here?
Eyes.
Is that Dada? That's Dada. And that's Awa. Hi, Olive. Hi, Olive. Can you say hi, Dada? Hi, Dada.
Hi, Dada.
Point to Dada. Where's the Dada picture? Is this Dada? Dada? Yeah. Where's Mama? Where's Mama's picture? Where's Mama's picture?
Mama, I can see you.
Is that Mama? We drew Mama. Yeah. And what are you drawing? Some beautiful purple lines. Oh.
That's it.
Mama have a kiss?
That's it.
Can Mama have a kiss?
That's it.
Can Mama have a hug? Why do you deny me kisses?